Welcome to the Facebook Organic Marketing Automation course. I'm going to just show you quickly how to navigate this course and also give you a tool that I want you to use throughout the rest of this training. So it's called the Video Speed Controller. There's a link below. It's a free Chrome extension, and this allows you to speed up or slow down video. So let's, for example, click onto this video here. You'll see in here that there's a little number, and this tells you how fast that the video is going to play. So once it's installed, you'll be able to speed it up or slow it down. I already set the first couple videos at 1.2. So if that's a speed that you're comfortable with, you can turn it up, or you can turn it up even faster than that. I do talk kind of slow. So as far as navigating the course, after this video, you'll start with your first lesson, crafting your offer. Just play the video. Below it, there are resources and tools, so you can download a worksheet to go through as well and complete your first assignment. Pay special attention to creating your offer. Make sure it's very specific, and you'll have a lot more success when you create your content around that offer. The social funnel training, this one's very detailed. The video walks you through how to do it, as well as this assignment. So once you download this, you can pop it open, and it's going to walk you through all the resources you need right here. And I give you all the dimensions for your cover photo and featured photo here. Show you how to optimize it for desktop and mobile and all that good stuff. So definitely a good resource here for you to use as you're designing your social funnel. So there'll be more training in here, but hopefully this is valuable to you. If it is, I'd appreciate you to leave me a review at the end of the course. That being said, go ahead and get started, and I'll see you on the other side.